Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Park the Honda Jazz on level ground, engage the parking brake, and chock the rear wheels. Wear gloves and eye protection and loosen the front wheel lug, nuts 1/2 turn with a 19mm socket before jacking. Use a hydraulic jack and 2 jack stands rated for your vehicle's weight, then raise the car and place stands under the pinch welds. Confirm stability by rocking the car slightly. Never work under an unsupported vehicle. Keep a fire extinguisher and phone nearby in case of emergency. Fully remove the wheel and set it aside. Use a 12mm or 14mm socket to undo the caliper guide bolts and slide the caliper off the rotor. Support the caliper with a hanger or bungee so the brake hose is not stressed. Remove the old pads and note their orientation and any shims. Inspect the rotor surface for grooves and check pad backing, piston condition, and dust boots for tears or leaks. If the rotor is scored beyond 1mm or warped, plan to resurface or replace it. Insert the new brake pads, noting any anti-rattle clips and shims. New pads are typically about 10mm thick and should seat evenly. Use a piston retracting tool or a C-clamp to compress the caliper piston slowly until the new pad fits. Do not damage the piston seal. Refit the caliper and torque the guide bolts to about 40 Nm, then reinstall the wheel and torque lug nuts to 100 Nm in a star pattern. Lower the car. Pump the brake pedal to restore pressure. Check the brake fluid level.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.